Here we have this 1978 Bayliner Saratoga. We're going to see her on the water and all sides as she spins around. Are you looking for that awesome little cruiser to spend the weekends on? Maybe sit and watch the world go by? Well, come with me for a quick walk-through tour on Saratoga Sweetie. She's a 1978 Bayliner Saratoga Pilothouse. She's got lots of windows for a great view of yourself on the water. She comes with seating on the inside, galley, sleeps 4 people. She's neat, clean, odor-free. She's economical. She's had the engine replaced over the years and has a new fuel tank. She's an excellent little boat. She's super sweet. It even says so in the name. So come with me for a quick walkthrough tour. Viewer today, owner tomorrow at South Mountain Yachts. Here we are, starting off aft starboard side on Saratoga Sweetie. This gives us an overview of the swim step, transom with an ice box slash fish box in it, and then we can have a nice view of the cockpit. Coming down along the starboard side, this gives us a peek at the helm. We've got a good hard top on here. Our VHF antenna. Note the large opening sliding windows that allow light and air into the cabin. Keep in mind this is pre-air conditioning vintage. We have a nice foredeck here, good place to sit out. Note the teak handrails there. Coming down along the side, note we have those teak handrails right there. We have a little aluminum bow rail. Notice the windows which open to allow light and air into the cabin. We've got that stainless steel trumpet horn there, running lights, and then here we are with the nameplate right there, Saratoga. This gives us an overview of the cockpit. This vessel's very nicely equipped to come and sit and enjoy the scenery. We've got a barbecue and an extended swim platform right there. From here, let's step inside. Now at the transom, under this wood cover here, notice the condition, how nice and clean that wood looks. Under there, we have a fish box, or it can be used as an ice chest. We've got 2 fold down seats here for you and a companion. Moving over here to the helm, we have our steering wheel, ship's wheel right there. All of our gauges, this vessel has 260 engine hours on it. We've got a compass, tachometer, temp, voltmeter. Now, here we have the Morris shift. The throttle and shift are actually reversed on this. We also have a VHF radio down below. And then looking aft, we've got that transom bench seat, and those side seats come out. We've got engine access by moving the motor box. From here, let's go inside. We enter the cabin through this center line door and down a few steps. We see immediately on our left-hand side, we have a little hanging locker. And then we have our booth-style dinette, which converts into a sleeping area. We've got nice bright interior with the side windows that open. And then off to starboard, we have a galley with an ice box, dual burner alcohol stove right there, stainless steel basin, and some gunnel storage right there. Now as we move forward, we see we have yet another sleeping area, and it easily converts into a large V berth as such. We've got about 6 feet 3 inches of headroom. And then as we move aft, we have our head here with our marine toilet and another basin. Saratoga Sweetie has been extremely well cared for. She's neat, clean, odor-free. Viewer today, owner tomorrow at South Mountain Yachts.